like and subscribe my YouTube
Good
channel.
morning, students. Chapter name is exponents, means powers. In this chapter, we will study about the exponents, base and law of the exponents for any number x and any positive integer m. If x is the multiply by itself n times as the x into x into x into x into x into x, such on m times, so is equal to x to the power m. So here x is base. So what is the x? X is base, and m is exponent or index. We can m means m. We can say that m is exponent, yeah, index. Okay. So x की power m is an exponential expression. The next is exponents. If a is any real number and n is natural number, then we can say that a into a into a into a, such on into a up to n factors, means we don't know what is the n factor means exponent, so we can write down a की power n. So a is base, exponent is n. So such that when a is the multiplied by itself n times, we get a की power n. So the next one is a की power n is read as a to power n or a raised to the power n. So the plural of index is indices. So what is the plural of the indexes? Indices. What is the plural of the indexes? Indices. So the exponential form of minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 is minus 2 की power 4. So where base is the minus 2 and exponent is 4. So note that 1 2 3 4, here minus sign is the even number. So when you are multiplying the negative integers and negative sign is the even, so you will get always answer in positive. Okay, if you will solve minus 2 की power 4 means 2 into 2 4 into 2 8 into 2 16, so we will get answer 16 is positive. Okay, is it clear? So the exponential form of 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 is 1 2 3. So bases are same, so power will be add during the multiply time. So 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3, so 2 की power 3. So base is 2 की power 3 and exponent is 3. So rule, if p and q is any rational number, then for any positive integer n, we have p by q power n is equal to p की n and q की n. It means this brackets, when we will open this bracket, so power is common, p power n, q power is also n. So evaluate first example, minus 7 की power 4. So it means 5 minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7, 2401 positive, because 1 2 3 4 even power is also even number, so we will get in positive. Okay, so here is minus 4 की power 5 is 3, so power is odd number, we will get answer in negative. So 4 into 4 into 4 64, 5 into 5 into 5 125, which sign negative sign, so minus 64 by 125. So same in example number 2, express each of the following in exponential form 216. So we know that 6 into 6 into 6, same factor, 6 की power 3. So minus 64 by 729. So minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 की power 3. 729 is equal to 9 into 9 into 9, 9 की power 3. So minus 64 by 729, we will write down minus 4 की power, minus 4 by 9 की power 3. Okay, then very important topic, next topic is the laws of the exponents. So here a into a into a into m times multiply a into n times, so we can say that a की power m into a की power n. So base are same, so when base are multiplying, power will be add, so we can say that a की power m plus n. The next is, this is known as product law. So what is this is product law. What is the product law? A की power m into a की n is equal to, if bases are same multiplying during time, so base will be write down same and power will be added, a power m plus n. So let for example 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3, here 2 की power 3. So 1 2 3 4, 2 की power 4. So base are same 2, so write down common number 2, then 3 plus 4 7, so 2 की power 7. Like again example, minus 5 की power 3 into minus 5 की power, bases are same, so power will be at 3 plus 4 7, so minus 5 की power 7. Is it clear? Minus 5 की power 7. This is the product law we have done. Then second law, a into a into a m times a into a into n times, so a की power m divided by a k n, so we can say that a m minus n, so base is same a, so power will be subtract a m minus m minus n, so where m is the greater than n. So this law is known as quotient law. What is this? This is quotient law because we are using the division. So this is quotient law is a की power m divided by a की power n. If base are same, then power will be subtracted a m minus n. So for example, 2 की power 7 by 2 की power 4, so we can say that 2 की power 7 minus 4, 2 की power 3 is equal to 8. Then third is a into a into a into a m times power is n, so it is the power of power. So when we will open the bracket, so m multiply n, so we will write down a की power m into n, so power of the power, a की power m into n. So this is known as power law. What is this? Power law. Power law is a की m and power again n, so we will get a की power mn. Then if power is 0, if n is 0, so any base whose index is 0, exponent is 0, always we will get is equal to 1. The value of a की power 0, any number, any base whose index is 0, exponent is 0, value is always equal to 1. So where a is not equal to 0, such that any number is to the power 0 is equal to 1. So remember that. Let for example 3 की power 0, so it means value is 1. Minus 2 की power 0 is equal to 1. Minus 3 की power minus 3 की power minus 3 की power of power same 0, then value is 1. Okay. So if the power is negative, n is a negative integer, then a की power minus n means we can write down a divided by a की power n. A minus n is equal to 1 by a की power n, and a 1 divided by a की power minus n. So this negative sign will be go upside, it will be positive. If here is the positive, it will go below, it will be negative. If here is the negative, it will go positive. If here is the positive, here is negative. Okay. So let for example 2 minus 3, it means 1 by 2 की power 3, 1 by 8. So let 1 by 3 की power minus 5, it will be go 3 की power 5. So 3 minus 5 and 2 power minus 4. So it means we can write down 1 by 3 की power 5 and 2 की power 4 in positive. So 2 की 4 and 3 की 5. Is it clear? Then for any negative real number a and n is an integer, we have minus a की power n is equal to a की power n. So if n is even number, I already explained that if the n, if this power, if index is the even number always, so you will get always value is positive. If index means exponent is odd number, you will get answer always negative. Okay. So here minus 3 की power 4, you will get positive 3 की power 4. If minus 3 की power 5, you will get minus 3 की power 5. So negative value, here we will get positive value. Okay. Is it clear? Then next is 7th topic. If a and b are the real numbers and n is an integer, then a into b power n. So it means a की power n into b की power n. I repeat again. If a and b are the real numbers, n is an integer, then a into b की power n. So it means this is common. So a की power n into b की power n. For example 3 into 5 की power 4, it means 3 की 4 into 5 की 4. 2 की 3 into 3 की 5, power of power is 4. Then 2 की 3 into 4, 3 4 जा 12. So 2 की power is 12 and 5 4 जा 20. So 3 की power 20. For example, likewise same, a by b की power n means a by b की n means a की n b की n. So a minus 2, b की power minus 3, power is 4. So 2 into 4 minus 8, minus 3 into 4 minus 12. So you can say that this minus negative will go upside is positive, be 12. This negative will go down, it will be positive. Okay. So for any fractional indices, if a is any real number and is a positive integer, then the nth root of a is the real number x, such that x is equal to a power is 1 by n. So let the nth root of a is denoted by a power 1 by n, means root value. So n root a. So n root a m. So it means we can say that n root a into m times. Okay. So same for a power 1 by n into a power 1 by n into a 1 by n multiplying up to m times. So we can say that a power is m by n if n is not equal to that. For example, n root a is equal to x. So we can say that a power is 1 by n. So we can also say that x की power n is equal to a. Okay. So root a is equal to a की power 1 by 2 means it is called the square root of a. Then if 1 by 3 root a means we consider cube root of a, and we can write down a की power 1 by 3. So a की 4 means we can say that fourth root of a. 1 by 5th means fifth root of a. So for example 9 1 by 2. So we can say that root 9 is equal to 3. Why? Because we know that 3 की power 2 and 1 by 2. Cut it. So what is the value? 3. Okay. So likewise same 27 we can write down 3 की power 3. Then again cube root is 1 by 3. 3 is cut with 3. We will get answer 3. Is it clear? Next topic is reciprocal of a rational number. The reciprocal of a non-zero rational number x is denoted by x minus 1 and defined as x minus 1 is equal to 1 by x. We have already done. For a rational number p by q, where p is not equal to 0, q is not equal to 0, we have p by q power is minus 1. So we can say that q by p. So the reciprocal of p by q की power n is equal to q by p power is n. So find the reciprocal of each of the following. Let for example minus 54. So we will get 1 by minus 54. We will get by. So means we can say the reciprocal of minus 54 is equal to minus 54 minus 1. So 1 by minus 54. So minus 1 by 54. Then reciprocal of minus 7 की power 3. So we can say that minus 7 की power minus 3. So 1 by minus 7 की 3. 1 by minus 343. Then minus 1 by 343. So likewise. So the next is okay. So very important topic. For any positive value, note that for any positive value of a, the value of a power 1 by n will always be taken positive unless mentioned. If a is negative real integers and n is even positive integer, then a power 1 by n is not defined. So for example minus 9 1 by 2 are not defined. Okay. So if a की power m is equal to b की power m, so then we can say that if powers are same, then we can say base is also same. A is equal to b. So very important, a की power m is equal to a n. Then we can say that if base are same, we can say that power is also same. M is equal to n. So this is your first chapter. Second chapter. Exponents we have.